ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच एत्वेतदप्यसूयन्तः नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतं सर्वज्ञानविमूढांस्तान् विद्धि नष्टान चेतसः। 32nd sloka, 3rd chapter. The previous sloka, who does not follow my teaching, who does follow my teaching, what they will get? They will attain moksha. In this particular sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, the previous sloka, a jnani, a status of jnani, how it will be, what are the things he will attain, that's what he explained. In this sloka, he talks about an ajnani who does not follow Bhagavan's teaching. Means what? You have to dedicate all karmas to Paramatma and do all the karma, then you will attain the higher state. At the end, you will understand the self-knowledge and you will be freed from everything and you will attain moksha. That's what Bhagavan Krishna's statement earlier. In this particular sloka, who does not follow means who does not dedicate all karma to Paramatma, who do karma without dedicating all karmas to Paramatma, or who do not do any karma, or who do not do any karma in the other way which is not prescribed in the Sanatana Dharma Shastras, in the Vedas, those people will be deluded by their knowledge. They will go away from the knowledge. They will exactly go in the direction of the wrong way. Finally, that will lead to their own destruction. So, a ajnani who does not follow Bhagavan Krishna's teaching of dedicate and offer all karmas and execute the karma according to the Karma Yoga rules and regulations. If they are not doing that, or if they are not doing which is mentioned in any of the Vedas, Sanatana Dharma text, they will be deluded. They will be deluded and go away from the main knowledge. They will go exactly in the wrong way. They will be confused. They will try to make others also confused. And finally, they are the responsible. They will be distracted. Who distracted them? Who distracted the ajnani? The ajnani himself distracted him. So he will be the cause of his own destruction. Also, he never attain the supreme knowledge, or he will even think of going to the next higher level. This all Bhagavan Krishna says. So who follows my teaching, they attain. Who follows my teaching, surrender all karma to me and then execute the karma, he will attain the supreme goal. Who does not follow my teaching, who is not surrendering all karmas to me and execute the karma for their selfish purpose, they will be distracted. They are the cause for their own destruction. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 33rd sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.